Hi guys, I'm super excited to share my large mystery box with you guys. I haven't opened it yet, I haven't touched it yet, so I'm very excited to see what's inside, and I really wanted to share this experience with you. Oden's Eye did release two mystery boxes over this Easter period. This is the bigger one of the two, so I just wanted to share what came in the mystery box. It's priced at $75 with a value of $170 worth of products in there. I also had a 10% discount code that I applied to the mystery box. So in my opinion, it's really a high value for money product. I do not have any Oden's Eye products except some of the singles. So I might have one or two duplicates in the singles, but other than that, none of these products I will already have in my collection. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I love these boxes, they're so pretty. Okay, everything is nicely bubble wrapped. We have some of the single shades in here. I'll open everything now. I have a lip product. Okay, that's everything. Now let's open up. Ooh. This is the gel liner set. I think it's the full set. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm gonna go get a knife. Okay, steak knife it is. So let's just get this plastic off. Oh, this boxing is beautiful. These are all the colors. And then you've got the names of the colors there at the top. It's very pretty. Can't wait to use these. I don't have any color eyeliners. Then we have this palette. Verdandi mini eyeshadow palette, Oden's Eye. Get a plastic off of this one. It's got a, it's just a slip out sleeve. So pretty. And the colors inside. I see that it's got a bit of a darker side here. I think that must be on purpose. I'll do a video with swatches and looks with all these palettes and things. That's so pretty. Okay, then we have, this is a highlighter, I think. Let's just open it up. I love the designs. There's this artwork on the palettes, and isn't that stunning? Ooh, that's very pretty. don't really have any highlighters like this. My camera cut out halfway through there, so I did open one or two things, but I did do a swatch on this because I just wanted to see, I wanted to show how pretty that is. I normally don't do bluish highlighters, but it's got a bit of a purple shift. I don't know if you can see that purpley pinky shift. It's very pretty. And then the other one, this one I have, it's the S22 Kevin. So I will be gifting it with this single container that you get with it. And then the other one I don't have, it's the S29 James. So I'm excited that I only got one duplicate. Let's see what this one looks like. It's a nice shimmery brown color. I don't actually have any color like this, not that I can recall. And then the last one is the Alpha eyeshadow palette. Oh, look at the pretty fairy. Also in a sleeve. Oh, that's pretty. This, oh wow. I don't know why, but my camera keeps disconnecting. I started opening the lip product, which is the last product. And I just want to see the color. It looks like a standard lipstick. Oh, cherry red. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. It's almost like a brick red. Oh, very excited to use that. So, okay, I have the lipstick, I have the highlighter, the mini palette, the bigger palette, the eyeliners, and the single shades. I think that's quite worth the amount of money that I paid. And I'm very excited to be doing tutorials with these for you. I'll definitely be doing a few tutorials with the Alva palette, and I will do one with this Verdandi palette. And you will definitely be seeing me use these color liners in my videos. And then I might do like a short with the lipstick as well. So there we go, guys. How exciting is that? Keep an eye on my channel if you want to see the tutorials, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!